Hey guys, here is how to return an Audible book. Okay, let me guess. A family or friend checked out an audiobook on Audible. They're talking your ear off about it and how it's the best thing since the invention of the egg. So you check it out and it turns out to be the biggest waste of money since bank fees. So you go on YouTube and you look up how to return it and you end up here. But before you return this audiobook, I would like to bring to your attention a little information about this video as well as Audible's return policy. This is how to return audiobooks to Audible on your phone or tablet. If you want to know how to do this on the computer, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about that too. On to the return policy. You can return books only up to 365 days from the date you originally purchased it. Also, Audible has the right to monitor returns for any abuse of this policy. So if, according to their judgment, you return too many audiobooks in a certain amount of time, they can limit the amount of returns allowed for each member, including but not limited to the actual loss of their return privileges. In other words, don't return too many books. Let's get to it, shall we? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I want to make self-growth normal because people should not have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. Number 1, open Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or whatever browser you have. Number 2, go to and log into audible.com. Number 3, tap on menu and then tap your name. Number 4 is scroll down to and tap on purchase history. Number 5 is tap that atrocious book you'd like to return. And lastly, number 6, tap return title and confirm. But that is how to return a book on Audible. If you have any further questions about Audible, please let me know in the comments below. I have made several other videos about it and how to use it, whether you're a member or not. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.